Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to maths class. Remove page number 35 of your observation book. Today we are going to start a new chapter more about numbers. Now new words. In this chapter we are going to learn number line. Number line, this is known as a number line. A line is there, on that numbers are there. This is known as number line. Now before red frog is before blue frog. Here three frogs are there. You can see a red frog is before blue frog. Before means pehle. Then after. After means बाद में. So yellow frog is after blue frog. Then you are going to learn between. Between बोले तो दोनों के बीच में. That is known as between. Then more. More means ज़्यादा and less means कम. Now remove page number 36. Number line. Look at this arrangement of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When numbers are written in counting order on line, it's called a number line, as we have seen before. So, practice zone 1. Complete the numbers on the number line and connect the number using arrows. So 11, 12, 13, you have to draw the arrows also. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now let's draw the arrows. Okay, same here also. 20, 21, 22, after 22, 23, after 23, 24, after 24, 25, after 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Here also same arrows that showing the connect of the numbers to one another. Simply you have to write the numbers in the counting order, okay, in a serial wise. Now let's see on page number 37. On page number 37, what comes after? Now as we have seen in the new words, after. After means what? After, बाद में. The numbers arranged one after the other. Here 12 comes after 11. 12 comes after 11 and 13 comes after 12 comes after 11 and 13 comes after 12. Same 13 comes after 12 and 14 comes after 39 and so on. So after means in simple language, after means बाद में. Now let's solve the practice zone 2. Read the number line, write the number that comes after each number. After 21 the number comes 22. Then what you are going to write here? After 21 the number comes 22. After 25 the number comes 26. After 29 the number comes, yes, it's 30. So after means is very easy. After बाद में 21 के बाद क्या आता है 22, 25. After 25 26. After 29. Now remove page number 38. Here what comes before? Before means पहले. Previously we have seen what comes after. After means बाद में, before means पहले. Now see this number line. Here before 12 11 is there. Before 13 12 is there. Means पहले 12 के पहले 11, 13 के पहले 12, 14 के पहले 13. Before 15 14 is there. Before 16 15 is there, and so on. Come on, let's try to solve practice zone 3. Read the number line, write the number that comes before each number. Here before 27 the number comes, that is 26. Here before 31 the number comes 30. Before 34 the number comes 33. So before means पहले. Now on page number 39 you can see what comes between. So previously first we have seen after means बाद में. Then now we have seen before means पहले. Now what comes between? Between मतलब बीच में. So again you can see here a number line is there. On number line 1 to 10 numbers are there. So 2 is between 1 and 2. This 2 is between 1 and 2. Then this 3 is between 2 and 4. Then this 5 is between 4 and 6. And like this so on. बीच में, between means बीच में. Let's solve practice zone 4. Recall the counting order from 1 to 50. Write what comes in between. Between means what? Here two numbers are given. You have to write the between one. After 9 the number comes? Yes, 10. And before 11 the number comes? 10. And between both the numbers 9 and 11 the number comes, that is 10. Now here 18 is there. After 18 the number comes, that is 19. After 19 the number comes 20. And before 20 the number comes 19. And the number which comes after 18 is 19. Now same here 23 and 25 is given. You have to write in between. What comes in between? What comes between? So after 23 the number comes 24. Before 25 the number comes 24. And between 23 and 25 the number comes, that is 24. After 36 the number comes 37. Here After 42, the number comes, that is 43. After 48, the number comes, yes, 49. Hope you have understood. Today we have learned number line, what comes before, what comes after, and what comes in between. Hope you have understood. Now it's time for homework. Remove your observation book. Remove page number 25 of your observation book. Page number 25 of your observation book. Chapter number 3. More about numbers. Question number 1. Write the number that comes before, after, or in between the given numbers. This is your homework. Here you have to write the numbers before, the numbers after, and the numbers in between. Your homework is on page number 25 of your observation book. Only question number 1. So please complete it without any mistake. Thank you.